Hi, here's a quick guide to setting up your loved one's LifeLibrary. After you've logged in, click on View Profile at the top of the screen. The personal information you will see here has been added by the care home. Please contact support@lifelibrary.io if you want any changes to be made to this information. As the primary supporter, you can add other family members and friends by clicking on the Manage Access tab and then on the Add Supporter button. Once added, they will also be able to upload photos and memories and will be kept updated about events in the care home via email. They will also be able to add their phone number if they want to receive new memories from the care home via WhatsApp message. When adding a supporter, you will be able to choose what level of access they have. For example, you may want to add younger family members as viewers, others as contributors, and limit editors to close family members. Remember, LifeLibrary is truly global, and loved ones can be added from anywhere around the world. In the Life Story tab are the 12 questions that you will need to answer for the care home to give an overview of your loved one's life. This information will enable the care team to personalise your loved one's care right from the first time they meet. In the Interests tab, you will provide information about your loved one's interests and hobbies so that the care home can offer them meaningful activities and, even in the busiest of homes, look to find and connect residents who enjoy the same things. The more interests you can add here, the more likely they will find a kindred spirit. On the home page, you can add photo books. 2 are already there for you. The standard World Events book allows for easy conversation starters, and the New Memories book is where the care home will add photos from daily life at the home. You will receive an email and text to let you know every time they add a photo to that book. If you click on the photo, you will see any message or description that they have added. To help the care home to improve, please do comment on the picture via the comment bubble. Carers always love to hear from families. Adding a new book is very simple. Simply name the book, choose its colour, and then you can upload as many photos and descriptions to that book as you would like. Anything that is added to LifeLibrary can only be seen by the care team and any supporters that you have added. This is not a public social media platform in any way. It is purely for you, your loved one, and the care team. Over time, you and your family can create a life story of your loved one that will enrich their relationship with the people caring for them. These memories can be saved forever for generations to enjoy. Once you have done this, please remember to download the app from the App Store or Google Play to make your access easier. We hope you enjoy LifeLibrary. Do get in touch with any questions. You can scan this QR code to download the app.